In the twilight of the Roman Republic, Augustus dreamed of an empire that touched every edge of the known world. While most eyes turned toward Gaul, Germania, or Parthia, Augustus looked south, toward the blistering sands of Arabia. In 25 BC, he dispatched his general Aelius Gallus to the Red Sea shores. The mission? A daring expedition to the fabled kingdom of Saba, deep in modern-day Yemen. Though the Romans reached Marib, the capital, illness forced a retreat. But the dream had taken root. Though Rome never claimed Saba, they weren't done with Arabia. Merchants and military alike returned, establishing trade posts along the coast, including the port city of Lycicome. Rome's reach now touched the edge of Medina. It wasn't a conquest in the traditional sense. No legions occupied the land, but it was domination through commerce. The desert winds now whispered Latin commands, and Roman ships crossed waters once sailed only by spice traders. Decades later, Emperor Trajan moved to secure Rome's eastern flank. The Nabateans, weakened and leaderless, fell easily. No epic battle, no resistance, just a quiet annexation. In 106 AD, Arabia Petraea was born. Its capital, Petra, carved in rose-red stone, now bore Rome's eagle. Yet Trajan never boasted of this conquest. No new titles, no triumphs. Arabia was a tool, not a trophy. A supply base, a gateway to Parthia, and a loyal province in uncertain times. Arabia Petraea proved its worth not in war but in loyalty. When generals rebelled, Cassius, then Pescennius Niger, the province stood firm, refusing to support usurpers. Under Septimius Severus, Arabia expanded, swallowing land from rebellious Syria. Its soldiers, especially the Legio III Cyrenaica, earned the honorific Severiana. The desert had become more than frontier. It was now a cornerstone of imperial control. Arabia Petraea was Roman in name but Greek in soul. Its cities like Bostra and Petra flourished under Hellenistic culture. Latin remained official, but Greek was the voice of the people. Even time bent to Roman will. The province created its own calendar, starting the day the Romans arrived. Under Diocletian and later the Byzantine emperors, Arabia thrived, a vital part of a restructured East. Cities multiplied, trade flourished, and Petra stood as both relic and beacon, a monument to Rome's farthest reach into the sands. If you enjoyed this journey through Roman Arabia, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to History in Short, and hit the bell icon to never miss a new bite-sized dive into the past. Your support helps us bring history to life in just a few minutes.